Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED notifications on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. The app name is Notify Body. And press search. Now install. When it's done, open. From here, go to the next step and grant both of the permissions to the app. So the first one is notifications, and here just enable Notify Body. Allow, go back, and do the same thing with a second. Find Notify Body and select to agree. From here, you have a third option to disable battery optimization, but it's totally optional and you don't need to do it. If the app doesn't work properly for you, I would recommend changing that setting. Now we can go to the next step and select OK. From here, you have a few tabs that you can change right here, and the first one is User. In this tab, you can select the apps that you want to get LED notifications from. In the System tab, you will get all the system apps you will get LED notifications from. So let's enable Google Chrome. In Active, you will see all of the active apps that you've allowed LED notifications for. And in the settings, you will see the customization options for your LED lamp, like the time between blinking, its shape, its size, its position on the screen. So now when we've set up everything, we can press on the test button, and here we will see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.